We were looking at rational tastes, where we said tastes are rational if they meet two properties, the complete and the transitive. We already talked about completeness, where we said complete tastes are those where individuals with those tastes are able to compare any two bundles. You're able to tell whether you prefer one bundle over the other or you're indifferent between them. Now, tastes are transitive if comparisons are consistent. Completeness says that you're able to compare any two bundles. Transitivity says that those comparisons are consistent. So if you're facing, say, three bundles, A, B, and C, such that A is at least as good as B, we already discussed, this means at least as good as. This is something we discussed in completeness. These notations that we have to do comparison, at least as good as. So if A is at least as good as B and B is at least as good as C, then if tastes are transitive, it must be the case that A is at least as good as C. More formally, we can say that, more formally, we say that the person tastes are transitive if and only if it is true. Again, this is what is in the text. The text defines a transitive taste like this formally. Right, say the tastes are transitive if and only if it is true. Whenever three bundles are evaluated by a person, you have three bundles A, B, and C. So you have three bundles A, B, and C such that A is at least as good as B. And oh, this is missing, sorry. This should be X1B, X2B, so on and on till XNB is at least as good as C, right? So it is A is at least as good as B and B is at least as good as C. We can conclude that A is at least as good as C. So this is what transitive taste means, that your comparisons are consistent. So in short, complete taste plus transitive taste make rational taste. Complete taste means that you're able to make comparison between bundles, and transitive tastes mean those comparisons are consistent.